Hey guys, very good morning. So the day has finally come, and I'll be riding solo and covering the Western Ghats as much as possible in the state of Karnataka. Uh, on the day one, I'll be starting from Bangalore, heading towards Jog Falls, and I had already booked my stay there. And I'll be hitting the highways. I'll not be hitting the Ghats en route Jog Falls, but on day two and day three, I'll be riding on the Western Ghats, covering as much as possible on the hill stations. So everything is ready. I packed my stuff, and it's the month of July, and it's monsoon here in Karnataka, and you're gonna get torrential rains or intermittent to heavy rainfall expected. So I'm well prepared. I have got all the gears for me to ride comfortably even during a heavy downpour too. So time is at 5 a.m. now, and as you can see, my gear is ready, and I also packed my bags. So there you go, guys. I'm about to leave. Bag is all set. I know it's dark because it's still early in the morning before the sunrise, but this is what it is with the lighting what I have currently. So I'll talk to you guys while I'm on the way. Ta-da. So here we go, the much awaited trip. I just started from my place. I'll be heading towards NH4 en route Tumkuru. Time is at 5:30 a.m. Hope everything goes well, and I'll catch you guys soon. Enjoy the video. For now, bye bye. Hello, people. So I've just took an exit from NH4 on the outskirts of Tumkuru city. So I'd be hitting the Tumkuru bypass, heading towards Arsikere, which is about 106 odd kilometers via Tumkuru Arsikere State Highway, and time is around 7:40 a.m. as we speak. I think it should take about 1.5 to 2 hours for me to reach Arsikere, and I'll be stopping for breakfast there. Hope the road is decent enough. We'll see about it. So enjoy the ride, and we'll catch up soon. Bye bye. So hey guys, this is the place where I had my breakfast. I had 3 idlis and 2 bondas and a tea. All costed me just 30 bucks. So this is on the main road from Arsikere towards Shimoga route, and the name is Sri Vinayaka Mess. So do check it out, guys. Good. Thank you. Chalo, we'll get out of the road. Bye bye. So guys, I have reached Shimoga, and one last destination before I could reach the ultimate destination, which is the Jog Falls. So I see it's about 105 kilometers from the city, I'll be touching little bit of Ghat section to reach the destination, and I'm expecting rain on the way. So hope for the best. Fingers crossed. Chalo. Enjoy the ride, and we'll meet at the destination. Bye bye. Hello people. So as expected, it is raining heavily, pouring down like crazy. But this is what I came for. We are on in the state of Karnataka on the Western Ghats, on the Jog Falls. So yeah, I'm enjoying it and loving it. See you guys soon. Let me take this ride and get back to your car.
ಇದು ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ನಿವಾಸ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಾಗ
Hey guys, sorry I couldn't connect the mic, but here I am. It's about 2 kilometers to the Jog Falls where I could witness the falls. But here are the backwaters. I'm just standing across the bridge. You could see behind me the fog, which is the mist, which is forming due to the high altitude fall. So I'm so eager to watch it. So let's go. It's about time. Tara. Hey guys, what's up? So finally, I have reached this destination, Jogu Jalapata, famously called as Jog Falls. I just checked in at my hotel at around 1:30, so which means I actually took close to 8 hours odd to reach the destination from Bangalore, which is 400 kilometers in 8 hours. Not bad. I took couple of breaks. One for the breakfast at Arsikare, another one is a short tea break at Shimoga, and yeah, I just came in, unloaded my bike, checked into the hotel, settled down, refreshed myself a bit. Was damn hungry for lunch, so I just went. They have the hotel attached with the lodging, so I had a veg meals, plate meals. They charge us 80 bucks. Good meal, tastes good, not bad. I'll post the pic also, you can see. I just don't want to vlog on the food part. So by the way, this is my room. It's pretty huge, right? Yeah. It's kind of weekday, so it's almost empty or very less customers. Let's just put it that way. And they gave me the best room and with the best view. I'll just show you. I mean, it's 2:30 now after my lunch. I just came back. I just wanted to visit the falls, but it's too foggy and it's raining kind of pretty heavy. Not too heavy, but kind of heavy. So I'm in two minds whether to dress up again and visit the falls today itself or not. Wherein even if I go there, I don't think due to all this mist and foggy environment, I might not get the full beautiful view of the falls. So let's see if the weather gets better. You never know, I might just visit. So till then, I'm going to take some rest, and I'll come back to you when I'm going to visit the falls. So till then, take care. We shall see you in some time. Bye. So guys, weather has been kind enough for me to head out to visit the falls, and it looks like we have two viewpoints, wherein I am first heading towards the rear end, where it's not the main viewpoint, but I thought first I'll check out the rear view, then I'll head to the main view. So time is at around 4:30 p.m. in the evening. Hope I would get a decent view so that I can show it to you guys and also enjoy myself. So yeah, enjoy. Hey guys, are you able to hear? I am at the viewpoint of the world famous Jog Falls. It's too much misty. It's 5:15 p.m. in the evening, and it's monsoon season, and the waterfalls is too good. It's magnificent, man. I mean, I'll just show you. I'm not sure how much you're gonna see it because it's covered with mist, but let me try. I know you could see a bit, but not much because see, there's a lot of mist behind me. So it's clearing up and it's covering up again. So let me patiently wait and see whether I could get a good complete capture of all the 4 branches of the Jog Falls, and I'll try to post it and make it much more viewable for you guys. Alright, so I'm just gonna enjoy the view now, and you guys hold back, sit tight, see ya. That was a beautiful sight, isn't it? Now heading towards the main viewpoint, so hope you would get an even better view of all the 4 falls. Let's go. So guys, I am on the other end of the viewpoint, wherein the first viewpoint which we saw, we missed the bigger one of the fall out of the 4, the Raja. So this end we'll be able to see all the 4 magnificent falls. It's monsoon, it's misty, foggy. I don't know how much you're gonna see, but we'll check. We'll check and we'll see. Because I came a little late, so I went to the other end, and that's the reason why we are not able to see the complete view of it. But I hope we can do it. Yeah. I don't know how much you guys are able to see, but then completely foggy. Let me show you. Guys, so I waited for close to an hour and a half or so to get this view, which is almost like 95% clear of the mist, and you could see all the 4 falls very clear there. Wow, words are not flowing out of my mouth. I mean, being a Bangalorean, this is my first time visit to Jog Falls, and well, it was worth the wait, or it was just God sent me to this place at this point in time so that I enjoy this beauty now. So enjoy it, and we'll catch up later. So guys, as the day ends, and it was such a beautiful day, 400 kilometers of 8 hours of ride, it was worth every effort. Hope you enjoyed and stayed with me and watched my vlog completely. Hope you liked it. Please do subscribe, and please do like my videos, and do share my videos. This is day 1 of my 3-day trip, wherein I end day 1 with the view or the visit to the Jog Falls, and tomorrow I'll be heading to Dharmasthala. That will be coming as day 2 vlog, so stay tuned, and don't forget to watch my time lapse video. So till then, take care. This is DK signing off. Bye bye.